Hi. Right. Okay. On today's episode, I shall be talking through the difference between RedFin and Expi. Right. Okay. I shall be, of course, going through what each of them do. Okay. RedFin is a corporation engaged in providing residential and estate brokerage services. The customer can search for homes by neighborhood, city, or MLS number, or can refine results using detailed parameters such as price and number of beds and baths. The company serves home buyers and sellers, and the company offers online tools to customers, including Redfin Estimate, which is the automated home valuation tool. XP, on the other hand, XP World Holdings Incorporations, they own and operate a cloud-based real estate brokerage and a technology platform. The company's platform enables businesses to operate remotely. It operates businesses in the categories including real estate brokerages, technology products and services, title, escrow and settlement services, and mortgage brokerage services. Okay, so which of them is a better buy? Let's go through. Okay, looking at the finance, you can see XP here. This is just quite a few major headlines. It's a world holding stock. People are asking, is it, according to Zacks, is it outpacing its finance peers? Another headline there, they're expanding into 35 states and, they're looking to acquire, another leading personal development and media brand, Success Enterprises. So they're making, um, they're making waves and pacing ahead of themselves. Redfin, on the other hand, also, there's another similar headline. Actually, is it outpacing its finance peers this year? Speaking of earnings, they've topped the earnings and revenue estimates, and as well, looking at the earnings again, they beat the earnings estimates. The sales beats as well. So, they're both actually making waves on the finance side. Now, looking at the XP world again, further, diving down a little bit more, you could see the market cap is about 3.4 billion. So it's quite big, and this institution own about 20% of this. And XP has gone from, the range of $6.5 to about $62, on the, oopsie, on the 52-week high of $62.5 to 52-week low of 6.5. And as you can see, this actually corrects us at the 22nd of November. Okay, and this is the charts there, just literally on the top level. And Redfin again, it's gone from a high of $56.31 to a low of $9.63 dollar range. Owned by 92% institution, it's got market cap of about 4.5 billion, and as you can see, this is just the top level again. So, but this is actually got more institution on the stocks. Okay, let's look at the business model. Okay, so XP, like I said earlier on, is constantly expanding 35, into 35 states. You can see here they're looking at the range, and I believe that up to year to date is quite important actually. It's gone about 328% over, gone over in terms of price appreciation. So it's actually multiplied a few times. And it's quite a few another headline cut out, but this actually caught my attention. They said their goal is to compete head to head at the portal level on Google and the search engines with the likes of Redfin. So they actually do see, as you can see here, they do see Redfin as as their competitor, and I probably will say as bigger than them, of course, which is obviously bigger, or maybe as a leader. Again, XP here, the analyst rating talking about a very strong buy, and it hasn't actually least or hit what the analysts predicting that it will hit. Redfin, on the other hand, is got hold by the analysts, and it's quite a variety of analyst rating with a target of about $49, while XP here has got a target of $51. I mean, I don't really trust this analyst rating. They say what they want to say sometimes, and that's why they tend to have this huge variation sometimes. Okay, so on the final notes, you can see XP's actually it's been having like a close to 100% year-on-year growth. Of course, Expi and RedFin are both tech-driven with a lot of data to experiment with different ways to add liquidity for residential homeowners and home shoppers. They're both expanding nationally, and I believe XP can make you a lot of money right now. But for me, I think it's just a short term, and it's been extremely extended as for a trade. So I would personally think this is actually more of a trade for me. Redfin, on the other hand, of course, it aims on savings to passing on savings to buyers and sellers. Of course, it's also very much tech driven with a lot of data to experiment with different ways to add liquidity to residential homeowners and shoppers. Also, it is expanding aggressively nationally. And but one more key thing here for me, when we're talking about if you want to own an investment, I love the management owner and a kind of investment. So the management has been there, it's got a skin in the game, and it owns about 2.2% of the outstanding shares of the company. And he's actually been serving for quite a long time as well. And also Redfin, one of the key things they're looking to do, or that they say they can do, is I believe they can change the market. And of course, as a long-term holder or investor, you can make a fortune in the process. So, as an investor and as a long-term investor, I think Redfin or as a shareholder as well, Redfin is a bet I'm willing to take. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Subscribe for more videos, and let's see your comments below. Thank you.